Hey guys, so my first of my five new technologies is Kahoot, and I know it's not like super new by any means, but I absolutely love it. It's fairly new to me. My kids kind of introduced me to it, and they are like obsessed with it. Like this is a reward for them when we get to play Kahoot, which I think is awesome because it's competitive. It involves academic things, so that's always good. I selected this particular resource because the kids love it so much. I think that's super important because it's not just something that I'm assigning. It's something that they like to do and that they like demand to do. And then my purpose with this, just to get them kind of more interested in what I'm teaching. So I'm going through it right now. You can do it for free. There are options to pay for it, but I don't like to do that. So if I want to find a Kahoot about economics, let's say. We actually did this first one in my economics class the other day, and it shows you like a preview of the questions as the teacher, and then you can play. So I can select if I want my students to do player versus player, or some of them can be on teams. I usually do the classic mode. And then it will give me a game pen or a code, and the kids type that in on their phone, and it comes up with this. So it's super awesome. I love doing this. So let's go back. There are Kahoots on everything. The other day we did an econ one, but then, it's towards the end of the period. My kids were like, hey, let's do a different one. Like, let's do something to do with music or, whatever. And I'm fine with that because it was super, super awesome. And then I think this lends itself to just like even getting a baseline of where your kids are at for certain things. So like if you do this first, you can kind of see where they're at, and then if you do it at the end, you can see where they ended up based on your teaching. Oh, sorry, I'm on Screencast-O-Matic. But yeah, I just love Kahoot. The ISTE standards that I covered here, I believe that this goes hand in hand with teachers using new technologies to kind of get their kids engaged and show like real world explanations of things. Like Kahoot is an awesome way to get kids using technology and content, so it also relates to the TPAC standards as well. So I love Kahoot. If this is something you're interested in, I totally suggest you try it. If your kids have cell phones, it works perfectly. You can do it on computers, iPads, tablets, everything really. So there you go.